In today's video, I'm going to show you how to maximize the Google Analytics GA4 landing page report so you can move beyond page views and identify which landing pages are actually driving meaningful results. To get started, open Google Analytics and go to Reports. From there, select Engagement, then click Landing Page. This report shows the first page people see when they enter your site, making it a useful place to evaluate how different pages perform at the start of a user journey. Once you're in the report, avoid judging performance on views alone. Instead, focus on the conversion metrics that matter most to your business, such as key events, conversions, total revenue, or session engagement. This helps you identify pages that are bringing in valuable visitors, not just large amounts of traffic. Quick side note, for more practical Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Next, add secondary dimensions to give the report more context. For example, use a traffic-related dimension to see which channels are bringing visitors to each landing page. This makes it easier to connect landing page performance with sources such as organic search, paid campaigns, email, or referral traffic. You can then use inline filters to narrow the data to a specific part of your site. For instance, a filter for a blog path, a product line, or another content hub you want to analyze. This keeps the report focused and lets you compare similar pages without unrelated URLs affecting the results. By combining conversion-focused metrics, secondary dimensions, and inline filters, you can turn the GA4 landing page report into a much more actionable view of what is driving performance on your website. And that's it. You've successfully maximized the Google Analytics landing page report.